All right, folks, here we go. Another barn find from our friends at CARCHAEOLOGY. This is truly, it's just amazing to me to look at this car in the current state that it's in and know that it hasn't been touched. It's like I said before on the Challenger, it's not a slant six, granny car. This is a 69 Charger 500. Now he's showing another one here that he dug out, which is a 69 Charger RT. Kind of interesting. There's 5 cars that he found behind this guy's house. But this is the 69 Charger 500. Now look at the paint. First off, you see it's dirty, it's ugly, it just came out of the backyard, it's been setting forever, but that's F8, I believe, green. And it looks to me to be original paint or mostly original paint. That grill right there, that's 68 Coronet grill. Interesting that they used in the 69 Charger 500. That's what gave it that flush look. And of course in the back they put the back window plug. He'll show that a little bit more. Now you see the hood pins, those are not factory Mopar hood pins because they weren't available on a 69 Charger. The 69 Daytona had them because it was the only way to hold them down, but a regular 69 Charger RT, which is how this car started life, would not have gotten them even as an option. The Bumblebee stripe in white, you see the little 500 letters over there underneath the tail light, that's all factory. Even the exhaust tips are on it. Take a look at the back window area right there. All that white paint is the underlaying primer from when they put the rear window plug in the car. That's why that's delaminating the way it is. All right, inside the car, here we go. Automatic transmission, so we know that this is probably a 440 car. Power windows, console shift. It looks like it's a green on green car. It looks like it was an AM radio car. It's the power windows and what I think was a second ago air conditioning. Yeah, there's the vent for the air conditioning. So you got an H51 P31 69 Charger 500. That's got to be down in the one of one, one of two, one of just a few made. Most Charger 500s did not have power windows or air conditioning. I think here shortly he's getting ready to pop that hood up. I only got a chance to peek at this right before I came in to do the filming, so you're seeing a lot of this like in real time with me. I think that's where he's showing that might buff out. I mean, obviously the car needs to be restored. It's got a couple of big dents there on the right fender, but the fact that it's original paint on a Charger 500 is just, again, it's an anomaly. And more, again, that paint that's delaminating there, that's because they did what appears to be an open panel blend after they put the rear window plug in it. And it's not very good, and that's why it's letting go. That is not factory paint. That was painted when it was sent over and converted to be in a Charger 500. Take a look, the flip-top gas cap still in place. Here we go, now we're going under the hood. Air conditioning car, H51. A lot of stuff looking original under here. Oh, I can't wait to see that fender tag. All right, there's the AC condenser. Looks all original except the spark plug wire's obviously been replaced, air cleaner's been replaced on it, but the valve covers look like they've been on there forever. Of course, double belts because it's an air conditioning car. Look at the firewall. I'm gonna pause it right there. All right, just real quick, I wanna comb around there. There's some interesting stuff here. On the left-hand side of your screen, you see the hoses and the air conditioning specific equipment going into the firewall. That's all very factory looking. The voltage regulator just above it, right next to the wiper motor to the left of the wiper motor, that is a reproduction, or not a reproduction, but just an over-the-counter replacement. 3-speed wipers. The interesting thing is, and this is why I want to see this, the fender tag, is it's showing on the right-hand side that round-shaped unit with the cable coming out of it that's mounted to the inner fender. That's speed control. I would love to know if speed control is actually on this car's fender tag. Okay, let's get rolling again here. There we go. This, to me, this is like treasure hunting. It's the funnest part of the whole job. Oh, it was you saw a little bit of the original sound deadener pad. And I think what he's trying to do right now is to show the fender tag, but it doesn't show very well here. And so there you go. you can't see anything on it. But a very original under the hood. This guy was fortunate enough to be able to buy all these cars and found homes for them. So this, I believe, was a couple of years ago. Look at those old Thrush mufflers. Those are new old stock Thrush mufflers, probably worth a couple $100 a piece on eBay. Looks like we've got a white interior car. I have not seen the fender tag. I haven't seen this video yet. This is the first time. It looks like it's probably EV2 Hemi Orange, even though it's faded out quite a bit. And maybe some primer work on this side of the car. It's got a road wheel on it, so I don't know if it originally was road wheels or not. Let's take a look inside. Okay, automatic transmission. We don't know what engine yet. White bucket seats, console of course. No tick-tock tack in there, I didn't see. Lots of rat and mouse droppings everywhere. Oh boy, this thing is just chock full. Now see, this is what I love about dragging some of these cars out. See that that transmission cooler right there? That could have easily been a Hemi transmission cooler. Looks like somebody did some patchwork on the bottoms of the quarters. Ugly. Not the way you're supposed to do it. Again, somebody's done some primering on it, maybe to preserve what paint is under it. Definitely a 69 model. Good looking grille. Looks like the grille and headlight doors are all in decent shape. Car's complete. These are beautiful. If you guys know where one of these are, let us know over at graveyardmotors@yahoo.com, because I'm buying these cars when I find them. Under the hood, power brakes. Looks like drum brakes. Looks like it was an air conditioning car. Some of the air conditioning plumbing has been removed from it. Looks like a Edelbrock intake, Holley carburetor. That's not right, but the engine looks right. Here's our fender tag. I'm going to hit pause right there. Okay. No, I apologize. It's an R6 car. It's a red car. Boy, it faded to orange, or somebody painted it that. There you go. E86 D32 440 Magnum 375 horsepower, 727 automatic, and pretty stripped down other than that. It does have the H51 for air conditioning. Oh, that would be a good car back together again, especially it looks like it's numbers, and it looks like the correct screw is still holding that fender tag. So let's move forward from there. Boy, that rat nest crap, I've seen so many cars with that over the years. Ugly. Still has the original dipstick and tube. Looks like the original radiator, unless he goes in, I can't say for sure. Windshield washer reservoir. Block off plates, so it's not an L31 car. It doesn't have turn signal mounted, hood mounted turn signal indicators. Original horn looks like it's there. Heater valve's been changed out. Oh, there's one of the other cars we're going to be talking about, the Charger 500 and a 446 pack 4-speed 70 Coronet RT. Bumblebee stripe car. I couldn't tell fender tag was too dirty, but it looks like a Bumblebee stripe car. Look at that hokey antenna. Now, I did the same thing on my 70 Charger, because this was right in the era of Smokey and the Bandit, and everybody wanted a CB. So I did the same thing, except my car had a magnetic one. I didn't punch a hole in the Dutchman panel. Rear body looks pretty good. Deck lid shot, pretty typical for those. Overall, a pretty darn neat car. Yeah. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. Hello, ghouls. Mark Warman here, the Ice Tray from Graveyard Cars. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it, drop a comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. We have fantastic stuff coming up, and some of it you've never seen before. I gotta go insult people. Hey, Alice!